Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. When it comes to cake, I'm all about easy and quick, and this cake is so simple to make, fall inspired with pear and ginger. Let me show you how to make it, and let's get started. You can't really ask for a more tender crumb, and that's because you were using 226 grams of butter. I'm gonna use all of it, but I'm gonna leave out 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna set them aside. I'm gonna use them later. And of course, I'm using room temperature butter. I took the butter out of the fridge 3 or 4 hours ago. In the mixer it goes, and I'm gonna add about 160 grams of granulated sugar, almost a quarter of a cup, and I'm gonna mix the butter and sugar for 2 to 3 minutes or until it becomes lighter in color. It's always a good idea to use the rubber spatula to get the butter on the sides. And mix again. I give it about 3 to 4 minutes and it's looking perfect. I'm gonna add 3 extra large eggs. I give them a little whisk. I add to that a little bit of vanilla extract. And for your convenience, my lovely people, I leave all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. I add the eggs a little at a time and I mix. Again, use the rubber spatula to get things well mixed in. I stop right there to prep the dry ingredients. And they're pretty simple. I'm gonna use cake flour, 170 grams, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, a touch of salt, about a quarter teaspoon, and I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of ground ginger. And my secret ingredient, I'm gonna use some candied ginger. I'm gonna slice them thinly or chop them finely, and I'm gonna add them to the batter. I use about 35 grams. You're gonna mix the dry ingredients very well and then add it to the batter. And from there, you're not gonna overmix the batter. You're gonna mix the batter until smooth, but you don't wanna overmix the batter. I stop right there and I'm gonna finish mixing the batter with a rubber spatula. And I'm preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 177 degrees Celsius. I'm gonna use a 7-inch deep pan that releases from the bottom. I'm gonna grease it with a baking spray or with butter and flour. And the batter is gonna be on the thicker side. You're gonna spread it evenly. I set it aside and I'm gonna work on my pears. And you're gonna need 2 large pears, 450 grams total weight. They're ripe and beautiful. I'm gonna peel them. Remove the core with a melon scoop or a little spoon, and I'm gonna slice them thinly. If you're doing this step ahead of time, you're gonna wanna brush them with a little bit of lemon juice. Arrange the pears the way you like, really. There's no right or wrong way. The pears are gonna bake into the batter and they're gonna be so moist and delicious. You're gonna sprinkle the top with a little bit of brown sugar, about 1 tablespoon. And you can add some of the butter I saved earlier. I'm not gonna add the whole thing though. I'm just gonna add 1 tablespoon. And I'm gonna bake the cake at 350 for 40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. I wish you can smell this. It smells amazing and the pears cooked inside the batter nicely. I can't wait for it to cool down a little bit so that I can try it. And I wish you can try it too. Try this recipe and let me know what you think. I serve with a good quality vanilla ice cream or by itself. I hope you give it a try. And if you're liking these recipes, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button so that you won't miss any of my recipes. And follow me on social media. The links are going to be in the description box below. And until next time, bon appétit!